Hello, my name is Connie, and I'm here to show you a template of an ebook in hopes to help businesses have a better visuals for their brand. And this is a fast and easy way to input your information while keeping it nice and clean. So let me go through my design and how you can use this template for your own business. So this is the first cover page, and this is where you can input your images. You can change it to whatever you want. If you haven't used, this is Canva. I will link it in the description down below, and I'll also link this template if you would like to use it. So this is the cover page. This is just a sample cover page you can use. In the page 2, I did add a table of contents. So you can insert your titles, your sections if you do have any, and your page numbers. At the bottom, I did want to implement consistent branding, so you can insert your business name here and add a logo. That's just a sample logo that I used. Another thing on top is I did insert and add your name here. You can add your name here if you'd like. This is the introduction page. I did a split screen, so you can totally customize this image. Just go into elements, search for, I don't know, sunset. And then you can drag and drop. But what I do recommend is to keep it nice and clean. Don't have very large images that doesn't really fit into the color scheme. So that's why I chose this green color, because it matches the border. You can totally customize this as well, the border color, if you don't like it. You can take your brand colors. If you know the code, you can drop it into here. If you don't know the code, I do have a video that shows you how you can get this hex code for your brand so you can maintain consistency. There's also a page number at the bottom. I only did it to this first page, but if you do want to have page numbers, Canva doesn't quite have numbering of a book yet, so you manually have to put it in. If you don't want to go through that whole hassle, you can leave that out. So I added it on the introduction page, and all you have to do is click Control-C to copy. And then on your new page, click anywhere and Control-V, and it will post it here, automatically keeping the same position, and you can change this to number 2. But for now, I'll just leave this out in case you don't want to, and you can put that in since this is just a template. So on my page 2, this is if you would like to add a what you're about to learn page, so it gives a quick introduction to the readers. And you can insert your topics here, you can add more, and you can have text at the bottom if you would like. These are only sample text, so they're not in English. And here on the left-hand side is also another green image, and you can put anything you would like there. Now going into the chapters, this is like a main chapter page. For this client that I created this for, she had a lot of information, so I wanted to keep the title page nice and concise with sections. So you can have, for chapter 1, you can insert your title here, have an introduction paragraph and your subtopics and subheader 1 or 2, and that's outlined in another color. This is what, if you would like an image, you can customize the image here, take it out, find some, and insert it here. This is just another really large text that you can have. Another section where it's really nice to implement some images that Canva provides, which is super easy. You just copy and paste it. So elements, for example, car, and you can add this instead and take this image out. Just insert it here. It's also nice to have some context on the side. If you would like, if you don't want to, you can totally take that out. Just add this here. It's nice to separate, so it's nice and readable for your readers. And I also added a chart in case anyone wanted to use a chart diagram. If not, you can also take that out as well. Just another fun design where it looks like a post-it note, and this is to outline any important notes that you want the readers to understand or point out and highlight. And this last page is a this ebook can be a lead magnet, so I constructed this last page to simply have a claim your free strategy session here, or you can add your website there. You can also definitely take this Canva, turn it into a PDF, and add a link attached to it as well. So that is my design for this ebook. And these are all the pages. So if you have any questions, let me know. And if you have any ideas or a business that you have and you would like me to create more content on different lead magnets, emails, website designs, just let me know, drop them in the description down below. That would definitely help. And I will make sure to link Canva and this template if you would like in the description below. I hope this was helpful and thank you.